Bonjour and happy French Friday to you. Okay, so before we get started with the fireplace today, I thought I would just share with you these curtains that I purchased off of Amazon. And I just thought I'd share them in case any of you are interested in knowing where they came from and if you would like to purchase them yourself. So I just love French country toile fabric and wanted to go with these curtains in the living room. I also went with them in the dining room because the living room and dining room are open to each other, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. Okay, next we'll get started with the fireplace, and you may remember me sharing that photo with you on the community post and letting you all know that we were getting a new fireplace soon. So here it is, and my hubby is building the fireplace here and getting it all ready to go for our brand new fireplace we'll be putting in. Okay, now we will prepare the wall with a special wall texture knockdown process before we get started painting it. And don't worry, we have already hung plastic up over the curtains and down on the floor so that we can protect all the areas around the fireplace so that we're not getting any of this knockdown texture on anything else. And here is our electric fireplace that we purchased off of Amazon. And here it is after hubby installed it. And then here is the remote for the fireplace, and it's so nice because you can have a flame. You can even have the crackling sound like a real fireplace. And you can also have it on low heat or high heat. And that real crackling sound is so realistic. It's so nice. We are really loving this fireplace already and enjoying it on these cool nights here in California. Okay, next I'll be applying this paint, Valspar Express Coat, and the color is extra white. I'll be applying this all over the drywall area of the fireplace. Okay, next I'm going to be using this American Tradition Faux Translucent Color Glaze, and the color is Raw Umber. I'm going to be applying this faux finish all over the drywall area. The paint is dry and it is ready for me to go ahead and to apply this now. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Okay, I'm just going to use this brush to apply it, and then I'm wiping a little bit of the excess off with my rag. If I get a little too much on, I can just wipe it off with the rag. Okay, so here's the ceiling fan that was up in our living room, and we took that down already, and we're going to replace it with this beautiful antique chandelier that I found at an antique slash consignment store in Santa Barbara, California. And I fell in love with it. It was a great price, for $125 for this, and I thought it was so pretty, so I'm excited to have this beautiful chandelier now in the living room. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the surround or around the actual fireplace. Do you think we should put some kind of a tile in there around the fireplace, or should we leave it as is? Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Au revoir!